friends, I am here at Goodnight Forest in the Indiana State Museum. Now I know nighttime in the forest can be a little dark and scary, but it is also full of amazing nocturnal animals like foxes and bats and owls and fireflies. So why don't we go see what we can discover? So if we're going to explore the forest at night, we're going to need some equipment. So we start at our supply station. We're going to grab a backpack and then we can fill it with supplies, such as binoculars, a compass, a map, and of course, a flashlight. So now we are ready to explore. This is our little camper's corner. This is a soft, safe space for our littlest campers to play in. Our Starry Night campsite has really cozy tents for reading or for shadow play. When we explore the forest at night, we get a little hungry, but fortunately, the Midnight Snack Spot has a full kitchen and plenty of provisions. And I don't know about you, but I love breakfast for dinner. One of my favorite things to do at night is to play in the firefly meadow. In the caretaker's hut, you can learn what it's like to study nocturnal animals. And if you're feeling really brave, you can visit the Twilight Trail, the darkest part of Goodnight Forest. Those are just a few of the things you can do in Goodnight Forest.